You asked how to buy shares of Commercial Metals Co., a company that produces steel products and recycles metal for construction and infrastructure. It trades on NASDAQ under the ticker CMC. This video is educational and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker. I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After signing up, you will be asked to verify your account, usually by uploading an ID, and to add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search box and type the ticker CMC to find the right listing. Look for Commercial Metals County and confirm the NASDAQ listing to ensure you selected the correct stock. On the stock page, you will find basic company information and a price chart showing recent trading. Double-check the company name and ticker to confirm this is the correct asset before proceeding. To buy, click Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to spend, and review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued as a market or limit order. And if you don't have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before it allows the purchase. Once confirmed, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For the example link, check the description below.